close your eyes for a second. Think about the last dream you saw. Was it weird, scary, or completely random? Now tell me honestly, have you ever had a dream so real that you thought it actually happened? What if I tell you your brain is more active during dreams than when you're awake? Hi everyone, welcome to Know with Alicia, where we turn simple questions into mind-blowing facts. A quick question for you. Do you remember your dreams when you wake up? Yes or no? Comment below. And here's the interesting part. Most people forget almost everything. But why? Keep watching. So what are dreams? Dreams are like short movies created by your brain while you sleep. But they are not random. They are made from your memories, your thoughts, your emotions. Basically, your brain is replaying and mixing your life. Have you ever seen a dream based on something that happened that day? Here's something cool. Dreams mostly happen during a stage of sleep called REM sleep. That's when your eyes move quickly, your body is relaxed, but your brain is super active. But why do we dream? Scientists still not fully agree, but these are the most powerful reasons. Tell me which one you relate to most. First, memory cleaning mode. Your brain removes useless memories and keeps important ones, like clearing storage on your phone. That's why sometimes you dream about school, friends, or random daily things. Have you ever dreamed about your childhood? Second is emotional healing. When you are stressed, sad, or scared, your brain processes emotions through dreams. That's why nightmares happen. Be honest, have you ever woken up scared from your dream? Third, problem-solving mode. Your brain doesn't stop working, even when you are asleep. Sometimes it tries to solve problems in the background. Ever slept confused and woke up with a clear idea? Now, fourth, random brain activity. Some scientists believe dreams are just random signals from your brain, and your mind tries to make sense of them, like creating a story from chaos. That explains why dreams can be so weird. Okay, let's test this. Have you ever flown into your dream, or suddenly fallen from a height, or met someone you haven't seen in years? These happen because your brain mixes memories, imagination, and emotions and creates a completely new world. Now, here are some crazy facts about dreams. You forget almost 90% of your dreams within 10 minutes. Blind people also dream, but in sounds and feelings. Animals dream too. Yes, your pet might be dreaming right now. Some people can control their dreams. This is called lucid dreaming. Would you like to control your dreams? Type yes. Now you must be thinking why we forget dreams. So why do we forget things so quickly? Because your brain doesn't store them as important memories. And as soon as you wake up, they start fading away. Next time, try this. As soon as you wake up, think about your dream, you might remember more. So next time you see a dream, don't ignore it. It might be your brain trying to tell you something. Now I want you to know what's the weirdest dream you have ever had. And if you love such mind-blowing facts, subscribe to Know with Alicia, because here every question has an interesting answer. Ta-da!